Hey everyone, it's Tony from Tony's Astro Journey coming to you with a new equipment overview of my new imaging gear. As you know from my last two videos, I did my introduction of my new Explore Scientific carbon fiber EDAPO 102 millimeter airspace triplet imaging scope, which is what you're looking at right here. Also included was this Rigel one-time finder scope, which I put onto the base of this scope. As you can see here, this is the control panel, more or less, of this finder scope. In the back here, we have the Canon T6, and in the Canon T6 is my, what's it called? It's called an astronomic CLS Canon EOS clip filter for modified DSLR cameras. That's inside the body of the T6. What you're looking right at here is the, let's see, that is the, oh, sorry about that. That is the, let's see, what is that? It's a, just trying to make sure I pronounce the name of this correctly. It's a focal reducer flattener from Stellar View. 0 point, let's see if I can get the specs right here for you. It's upside down, I'm sorry. Here we go. It's a Stellar View 0.8 reducer flattener. And it was recommended that it would be a good addition to this scope in terms of increasing the light gathering ability of the scope and also flattening the field. And reducing the focal, let's see, the focal length of the telescope from 714 to roughly 500 millimeters. So from 714 millimeters, which is the current focal length of this optical tube assembly, to around 500 and something millimeters in terms of focal length. So that's what this is designed to do. So it's kind of a two-in-one type of device. Also right here is the, let's see, this is the Zoe ASI 120 millimeter -S super speed monochrome CMOS camera. And this is my guide scope. And it is hooked to the Stellar View F50 50 millimeter guide scope with GVA visual adapter. So that's this here. Let's see what else. Oh yes, right up in front here, as you can see, installed is the QHY CCD Pull Master. And then to mount it, I used that Pull Master adapter made to go on my AVX. So that installed successfully. And all that, of course, is hooked to my laptop, as you can see. I had a good friend of mine help me install some things on the laptop that are going to really help increase the efficiency of the imaging process. Let's see, Car2CL was the Planetary Software he walked me through installing. And then let's see, and then some other things too. So anyway, I was able to successfully download the drivers for all of these devices on the laptop with no problem. So everything's working really well. It's just a matter of practicing, you know, setting up and breaking down everything, and then, you know, making sure everything works. So I'm sort of testing everything in my basement here, as you can see. and ideally be able to successfully set everything up, take everything down before I actually go out and do live imaging. So anyway, as mentioned before, this is my setup. And there's one other thing I wanted to show you, and that is, let's see if I can show you. Here we go. This baton off mask that I got from Farpoint. And that's designed to help with the fine focusing. So that basically goes on as like so to the front of the scope. I have not taken it out of the packaging yet and test fit it, but I know that it'll fit on the front of this scope with no problem. I've already, did the research and know that it will do the job. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.